like to show you a new gadget for our caravan called Vac-Life. Sometimes when we go to the beach we pick up some sand and dust, and this helps to pick it up quickly. It has some attachments that can help you pick it up in small places. Got this from Amazon. It was a very good price. It's a really nice lightweight hoover to suck up some things that you brought in the caravan, and we have a light on it which helps you to use it in the dark, and I would recommend this